Hi folks, this is going to be the next kit to build, the Jaguar Mk2 saloon from the historic car series that didn't seem to last very long. Anyway, it's my dad's favourite car, so got to do a good job on it. There's the tyres, and yes, they are extremely narrow. Tyre technology has certainly come on a long way. This is the first sprue. As you can see, we've got the door cards, seats, dashboard, wheel spats, seats on the other steering wheel, and on the other side we've got the chrome sections, including the front grille. Lovely body, got the shape perfect, as you would expect from Tamiya. Looks absolutely spot on. Of course, this car was made famous by Inspector Morse, and no, I won't be spraying it maroon. The chrome wire wheels. Unfortunately, I don't have any chrome paint, so I will stick with the plated sections. That's the engine block and all the other ancillaries for the engine and suspension parts. There's more suspension parts on this sprue and the chassis. A lot of uprights. Brake discs as well, exhaust pipe, and seems to be some form of either vinyl or cloth decals. I don't know what the cloth's going to be used for. I haven't read the instructions yet, but this is going to be the next kit I build, and be the first row car I've done. Good old-fashioned Tamiya fold-out instructions. I will be getting stuck into this in the near future, in the next few days. So, hopefully a new video will be dropping in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Anyway folks, look after yourselves, and I hope you have a good week ahead. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon, hopefully. Catch you later. Bye.